So this is week 4, and I'll be doing a video about statements, types of statements, expression and types of expressions. So let's start with expressions. So there are many types of expressions. We have the integral. So for an expression, there are two, let's say, characters, which one is a operand and one is a operator. The operators are, we have many operators like less than, greater than, equal to. We have the addition operator, subtraction operator, and division operator. So for example, A plus B, we have two operands over here, which is A and B, and our operator, which is plus. We can see it over here. And types of expressions, there are many types of expressions. You have integral expression, which includes integer, and floating point expressions, which includes floating points. You also have logical expressions, which includes less than, greater than, greater than. You have pointer expressions, which includes pointers. You also have constant expressions. So mixed expressions, some expressions contains more than two values. You can have an integral value and a floating point in one expression. You can also have a division operator and addition operator in that same expression. So conditional expression, relational expression, and others. Okay. So let's go on to comments. So comments are used to make reading and understanding programs more pleasant. So comments are helpful in skipping the execution of some parts of a code. So we will learn it later. We have single line comments and double line comments. Let's go to our code blocks. So let's write an expression. So integer x is equal to x is equal to a plus b. So this is an integral expression which has a operand a and operand b, and the operator which is addition. So let's declare a. You have to declare a first and also declare b. What is a? So integer. So we use our multiple line declaration, which is a and b, and we terminate it. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Let's output our result. See out x. So we were told that x is equal to a plus b. A is 3 and b is 4. So x is equal to 7. Okay, let's go on. Let's learn on how to comment. So let's include our third variable. Let's declare c over here, and c and d. Okay, so y is equal to c c plus d. C out y. Okay, let's output and see. Okay, it says okay, y hasn't been declared, so let's declare y. Okay, it has been declared. Let's view it and see. Okay, so let's run it. So we told our console to output x and also output y. So what do we do if we want to output maybe y only, but we don't want to delete um the x? So what you do is that you you comment it you comment this c out x. This is single line commenting. So let's run it and see. So one, you have our single line commenting. Okay, so let's do our double line commenting. Let's uncomment it. So let's group. Mhm. So what you do is I will comment them. So for double line commenting, we use this and an asterisk. Then where do you want to end it? You end it over here. An asterisk and this. So we've commented this whole thing and you've left this one. So let's output. The program will skip this part. The program will skip this part. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's go on. Because you didn't initialize C and D, so let C equal to 4, D equal to 5. Let's run it and see. So we have 9. C plus which is 9. Let's move on. So we are done with expressions and comments. Single line comments and multi-line comments. Okay, so let's go on to if statement. Let's go on to types of statements. So we have types of statement. Example: if statement and switch statement. We also have the for loop, do while, and while loops. So the if statements and switch statements, they are considered under switch statements. They are considered under selection statements. So let's learn on how to. So if statement. So let's use this same code. So if we write our if, then we bring up our bracket. Then if, let's say maybe if x, we have y. So if y is, let's say, if y is less than 9, or if y is less than 10, our program will output cout y is less than 10. Okay, so we all know that 4 plus 5 is less than 10. So let's see what we get away. So x plus, so 4 plus 5 gives us 9, and y is, which means y will be less than 10. 9 is less than 10. So we told our program that if y is less than 10, if y is less than 10, which is 9, it should output y is less than 10, and we have it over here. Have it over here. Can also tell the console to do another thing. Okay, so let's move on to the if else statement. So we are telling our console that if y is less than 10, it should output y is less than 10. So else, if, and we bring our bracket. What you write in the bracket is called our condition. Else if y is greater than 10, output what? Cout y is greater than 10.